Okay, today we're going to take a look at this 2011 Honda Silverwing. We're going to grab a camera and have a close look all around the bike for you. Okay, let's go and have a close look at this Silverwing. It is a 600cc. It's had a full government mileage check and a full HPI check, and it is all clear. This also comes with the spare key in the pack. What we'll do, we'll start up at the front. Take a look at the front wheel and work our way around the bike. We'll have the big screen on this, so plenty of weather protection. And this also has ABS on it, anti-lock brake system. Let's take a look down the left hand side. As you can see, these are the rear foot pegs, and there, fold away nicely. It says I'll add the drive belt changed as well on a service in 2018. So that's the left hand side. It's also got the Honda top box on there, so plenty of extra storage space. Let's get a look at this from the back. Tyre in good condition there on the back. We'll move over to the right hand side. Get a close look up at the back brake. And there you go. What we'll do, we'll have a look up at the controls and get the mileage off it for you as well. Right, let's go and have a look at the controls. So on this side we've got the accelerator, engine kill switch, starter, front brake. You'll also see it's got the heated grips on there as well for the controller. And on this side we've got the pass light, the dipped and main beam, indicators, horn, and we'll pop the ignition on. Let's have a look at the mileage. Trying to get in a bit closer there. As you can see, it's done 20,896 miles. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photographs or videos, we can do that for you. Do close-ups, send them over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.